Alright, let's take a quick look at how to add widgets to the sidebar of your WordPress website. So we have this site here and it has a little sidebar on the side with Pages widget and a Meta widget in it now. So let's look at how to change those. So if we go to the back end, go to Appearance and Widgets, you've got a list of available widgets and then you've got a list of places you can put them. This list will be different on every theme, so you're going to have to read through the theme to see what their widget areas are. Typically, the main sidebar there, we call it main sidebar or primary sidebar or primary widget area, something to that effect is going to be your main sidebar. This one also has a separate sidebar if you do a showcase page, and then areas for some footer widgets. Some themes will have 10 or 15 widget areas. Just depends entirely on the theme. You're going to have to take that on a case-by-case basis. But going beyond that, adding a widget is really pretty easy. So like this meta widget really isn't that useful most of the time. So we can expand it and choose to delete. If we want to add a different one in, say a list of categories, you just click on the category widget, drag it in there, and it's done. Perhaps a recent post widget. We'll put that above categories or move it below. So we'll go above for now. And then the most popular widget is probably the text widget, because we can drop this in here and say, this is a text widget. Here's some text, and then it even supports HTML, which is the beauty of this. You can have, bold text, italics. The neat thing with that is you can paste in code from other sites. If they give you a button, they say, here's some code for our button, you can put it here, or code for Google AdSense, or code for a Facebook page, or all that kind of stuff you can put in there. So let's save that guy, and go back out and refresh our site. You can see we still have the pages, our recent posts, categories, and here's a text widget. And then the text we put in. And the way these are styled will depend on your theme as well. Your theme determines the font sizes and colors and faces and all that. But the order of it you can always determine on your own here. We can just kind of drag that up, let it go, it saves it automatically. Go back out and refresh, you'll see that guy moved up higher. So that's how you deal with those. We've got other videos to give you details on how to add pictures to text widgets and what all the individual widgets do. But in terms of adding them, just drag it over to the appropriate widget area. It'll save automatically and you're all set. Thanks.